space exploration and research continues to rapidly develop, becoming one of the world's #1 platforms for innovative research, technology, and global economics. The world is currently in a space renaissance, a time where there is a huge push towards technological innovations and possibilities in space. In the last few years, the space economy has significantly grown, both in technology and in private companies entering this industry. From mining on the moon to in deep space exploration, Interface provides solutions to helping create advancements for the growth of the space economy. Interface continues to grow our precision measurement products and services, especially in the space sector. Our newest focus is to utilize our force measurement technologies towards space research, biotechnology, sustainability, and habitation in space. Interface wants to be involved with the creation of opportunities for economic growth, job creation, and technological advancements both on Earth and up there. We offer a wide range of load cells that were designed to withstand the extreme conditions of space. Interface knows that our load cells play a critical role in developing technologies within the space economy, as the space renaissance continues to progress.